BLU Vivo One Plus 2019, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first we will open both numbers through the secret code. It's a super quick option. Just open the phone dialer, go to keypad and enter a secret code which is *#06#. And as you can see here, you've got serial number for your device. Click on OK. And now let's open the settings. Then go down, pick System, go to About Device, and now if you will click on Status, you will be able to come along with both IMEI information, both IMEI numbers, and also serial number, which is located a bit lower. So that would be all. So you can locate both unique numbers assigned to your Vivo One Plus 2019. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.